easier to use, more economical, and increased flexibility. As part of JUKI's 3E evolution concept, the high-end FX3 high-speed modular mounter has evolved further. The next stage, FX-3R, a high-speed modular mounter. The FX-3R uses a new XY axis linear servo motor, which increases optimum takt 21% to 90,000 cph. By using electronic double feeders, FX-3R boasts an industry-leading capacity of 240 types of components. The FX-3R offers increased support for mounting LEDs, which is a quickly growing market. In addition to traditional large boards, it supports long boards up to 800 millimeters wide. Users can select between allotting the board placement areas of 2 stations to produce long boards quickly, and using each station to place components onto one board in 2 cycles as a means of preventing variations in the illumination intensity of LED elements caused by differences between lots. To further prevent illumination intensity variations, a remaining component management function checks the number of LED components remaining in the tape reel, and custom nozzles are available for variously shaped LED components. The FX-3R consists of 2 stations with a total of 4 beams, 4 heads, and 24 nozzles. At each placement station, 2 heads arranged in front and behind alternately carry out component picking and placement. Each of the 4 high-speed assembly heads is equipped with 6 nozzles that provide extremely fast, efficient placement. To achieve the highest accuracy and control, each head is driven by an XY dual gantry positioning system. This system features full closed-loop independent linear servo motors and magnetic linear encoders. The Y-beam is driven by dual synchronized linear motors for each station. The head unit on the FX-3R is equipped with a high-precision laser alignment and control system. This allows independent control of the upper and lower rotary axes. During component placement, the substrate remains stationary, providing stable placement. The FX-3R uses the patented LNC60 high-resolution laser for centering. Each component is rotated 360 degrees through the laser. The laser measures the component's center, dimensions, and angular correction all in a single sweep for high accuracy. Because the LNC60 laser centering unit is built into each head on the FX-3R, it can easily measure components on the fly and transfer the profile back to the database, efficiently placing components. Other important features of the LNC60 laser include exact pick height detection, bent nozzle detection, and a tombstone pick check. It also ensures that a component is present before placement and that the component has been placed successfully. The FX-3R supports a range of components from 0402 metric to 33.5 square millimeters. It can also handle parts up to 47 millimeters in diagonal length. The FX-3R's large touch panel monitor improves operability. The graphical operation screen is now even easier to use, making operations simple and intuitive for every user. It is also possible to switch between English, Korean, Chinese, and Japanese with a single click. The FX-3R setup support function is easy to use and guides users through the production program process. And because the program is automated, operator errors are significantly reduced. FX-3R maintenance is straightforward. Simply open the front or back cover to access the head. As part of JUKI's cost-performance philosophy, previous generation feeders and nozzles also can be used on the new FX-3R system. The FX-3R is the first in the industry to employ hybrid feeders, which can use both mechanical and electronic tape feeders. Because the mechanical and electronic feeder trolleys are interchangeable, existing assets can be used effectively. Compatibility is maintained with production programs, making it possible to carry out batch control of the FX-3R and previous generation equipment using the IS software. Flexible responses also can be made to line changes, enabling the best line balance and optimum job scheduling. Continuing its evolution under the 3E evolution concept, the FX-3R provides increased productivity. JUKI's laser centering technology provides greater speed and accuracy. The highest performance available from 2 stations, 4 beams, 4 heads, 24 nozzles, and an overwhelming capacity of a maximum 240 types of components. Users can expect a new level of innovation from JUKI's newly evolved FX-3R high-speed modular mounter.